Jeffrey Owino, KTN, Nairobi.
Now, Kenyans are set to dig deeper into their pockets for basic goods and services following a sharp increase in fuel prices, a move expected to ripple across the different sectors. The rise significantly accelerating inflation for essential goods. As KTN's Daniel Kariuki now reports, experts have warned that the fuel price hikes will make the cost of living even more worse for many Kenyans.
The announcement by Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority (EPRA) on new fuel prices marked one of the most significant hikes in recent months. The move likely to affect transport, food distribution and production cost. Fuel as the key driver of economic activity in the country, and any increase typically translates into higher prices for goods.
Maisha sasa imeanza kuwa ngumu sana.
Kutoka 166 mpaka ije 206. Kuongeza 40 bob kwa mafuta, hata serikali hapo taonaona inaumiza mwananchi kawaida.
With the transport costs forming a major component of supply chains, businesses are expected to pass on the additional cost to consumers, meaning that essentials such as food, household goods, and even services could soon become more expensive.
Cost of living has been a major issue of concern. Kenyans don't have jobs. Increasing fuel means that the transport cost is going to increase, therefore Kenyans are going to be overburdened.
Katika mambo ya manufacturing, tutakuwa tunaona hivi karibuni hata bei ya unga. Inflation figures katika hii mwezi wa April tutaweza kuona ya kwamba itaenda juu katika mwisho wa mwezi.
As farmers grapple with high input cost, the impact is likely to be felt in food prices in the coming months. Economists warn that the combined effect of rising fuel prices, persistent food inflation, and global economic uncertainty could deepen a financial strain for many Kenyans.
The biggest problem is that the salaries or the wages that we are paid will not go up. So the purchasing power of ordinary people who rarely have any savings is going to be affected disproportionately. On the macroeconomic level, I expect the price of commodities, the price of goods, the price of services to go up.
Already, transport sector is affected as online taxis claim the prices have not been adjusted, leaving them making losses.
We have a message to the application companies that we want to issue 7 days notice for them to adjust their prices going up, because we cannot operate with the current pricing model.
Calling upon the regulatory body, which is NTSA, to kindly look at these apps.
Our security haiko sawa. Mafuta ndo hiyo. We are carrying a lot of burdens. Hata tuwezane kuketa for our needs, both at home, the wear and tears of our vehicles.
With fuel prices hike, Kenyans are worried of possible electricity prices hike. Energy Principal Secretary Alex Wachira has, however, weighed in over the issue with an assurance to Kenyans. For now, households are left to navigate a tightening economic environment with little immediate relief in sight. Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
Now, meanwhile, the united opposition